Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Gcash and signing in. Make sure your account is verified and you know your 4-digit PIN. Once done, tap Profile or the menu with linked accounts because SWIFT codes are tied to underlying banks, not Gcash itself. You need to identify which bank partner holds the receiving account. So, look for bank transfer, send money to bank, or receive options. These screens reveal the bank name and any bank details you can use to look up a SWIFT code. Next, find the partner bank information shown in the app. Read the bank name and any listed branch or city because SWIFT codes are branch-specific sometimes. Once you have the bank name, copy the account number format and any reference labels. This helps when matching banks on official sites. If the app shows only a corporate or partner bank name, make sure you screenshot that page. Then, use that name and branch to search the bank's official website or contact its customer service for the correct. Finally, verify the SWIFT code on the bank's official website or by phoning their support. Do not rely on third-party lookup sites alone. When sending funds, enter the exact bank name, branch, SWIFT, and beneficiary details shown in Gcash. Double-check spelling and numbers. Once the transfer is initiated, keep confirmations and screenshots. If things go wrong, for example, funds are rejected or delayed, contact both Gcash support and the partner bank immediately and provide screenshots and timestamps to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.